Hey guys, welcome to our another banking video. Today we are introducing US insurance company RIMSI. If you like our video, you can subscribe this channel and hit up the bell icon. RIMSI, protect your family with term life insurance. Using gender insurance is the assist and smartest way to give the peace of mind. While you're cute, why you need term life insurance? How does term life insurance work? If anyone depend on your income right now, you need term life insurance. It protects your family by replacing your income, which makes term life one of the most important parts of your financial game plan. How much life insurance do I need? You need 12 times your yearly income in term life insurance. When that money is invested, well, your family can live comfortably on the return of the investment. For many people, a 20 years term is just right. Why is term better than whole life insurance? Whole life insurance is a rip-off. It often costs hundreds of dollars more a month and includes a saving plan with a triple return, instant pay, a fraction for term life insurance, and save of invest with what you would have paid for whole life insurance. Term life insurance is part of good defensive game plan. Here how it works. Work with a company you can trust. The life insurance quotes are estimated based on the health class you have selected. Final rates are always subject to underwriting approval by the insurance company. There are many factors involved in the final approval prints, such as but not limited to health history, lab result, family history, and driving record. The Limpo Group LLC through RIMSIsolution.com provides advertising for third parties, including Gender Insurance Group. This form is provided as a direct link to Gender Insurance Group site. Information submitted by US collectors stored and or used by Gender Insurance Group for the purpose of providing the insurance quotes you request. RIMSIsolution.com, with your permission, collects only your name, phone number, email address, and postal code. All other information necessary for all generation of an insurance quote submitted on this from directly linked to Gender and RIMSIsolution.com. Likewise, all quotes are solely provided by RIMSIsolution.com. The Limpo Group LLC is not an insurance company or insurance producer and does not warrant any sites, service, or information provided by Gender Insurance Group. You do not sell your personal information to anyone. You will not receive unsolicited intrusive calls or emails for other agents and companies across the country. If you do provide your telephone number, a gender representative or other partner may call or text messages SMS you at the phone number above, including your wireless number. If provided, normal charges may apply. This call may be generated using an automated technologies, and if we are unable to reaches you when you call, we may leave you a pre-recorded message so you can call us back. You consent to us. Calling is not required to get a quote or make a process, and may be rebooked at any time. You may simply call them at 800-356-4282. Sorry for the long boring disclaimer. Our authority made us to do. While your quota. Financial Peace University. If you like our video, you can subscribe this channel and hit up the bell icon. Financial Peace University. Join the millions who never have to worry about money again. With Financial Peace University, you will learn the proven plan to play of debt fast and save more money for your future. The step-by-step plan to win with money. Financial Place University is a 9-lesson course that teaches you how to save your emergencies, pay off debt fast, spend wisely, and invest for your future. And no complicated financial blah 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 over here. For our 25 years, Dave Ramsey has been teaching common sense biblical money principles that work every time. When in the first 90 days of working our plan, the our average household pays of 5,300 of debt, saves 2,700 for emergencies. When debt is not holding you back, nothing can stop you from living their life you dream of. You can get there. You just need a plan that works. You can be debt free. Don't keep making minimum payments month after month, and don't just dream about the life you really want. Stand up against debt, attack this stuff with a vengeance, and take control of your money for good. What our customers are seeing, nearly 10,000 5-star reviews. Yearly dollar budget. If you like our video, you can subscribe the channel and hit up the bell icon. Yearly dollar budget. Every dollar budget tell you money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Budget confidently the every dollar. Did you know that having a budget is not about trying yourself down? It's about having a flexible plan for you how you want to spend your money before your money is spent itself. Enter with income. All you have to do is enter all the money coming in this month and make a plan for every dollar. As you track your expenses throughout the month, the app will do all the math for you. Customize